This is crazy, bro.
It's a completely different beast.
Crazy, bro.
Completely different beast.
This is nuts. This is nuts, bro.
But no, this job he did all by himself.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, he's a badass. He's a
Yeah.
genius.
He works hard on this shit.
Look, it sounds good.
Oh, she's purring.
Cortadita. You're right, I can't even use my bike. Are you sure? You're right, I can't even use my bike. Are you sure?
Oh, I want to see if you can point out your little extra credit. So that's our touch, right? I did it on my bike, I did it on yours. What do you think, man? Take a step back. Come walk around it, dude.
That's my college colors. Orange and white.
Totally different bike, man.
No, it is. And you know what? And I brought the black because I loved it for the paints. People start touching it.
Bro, matte is so hard.
This is crazy, bro.
It's a completely
This is
different beast.
crazy, bro.
Completely different
This
beast.
is nuts. This is nuts, bro.
Let me tell you.
Did you fix my seats? Did you put something on it?
What do you mean?
Dude, in the picture it looked like old and faded.
Oh no, I cleaned it. I gave it a little bit of love. Check out the two-tone effect that we did on the dash, like that two-tone bit. Oh, you got black and you got red
Oh, yeah, no.
on this.
It's the little things like that.
Black and red.
I now win a contest with this bike. Like, seriously.
Bro, all I
I
want.
didn't even think a showroom had.
All I want
I
is
didn't
for
even
you
think
to have it.
a showroom has a bike.
And I'll go over those little bits with you.
Crazy. Crazy. Yeah, that's what I wanted. It's exactly what I wanted. I'm happy. I'm happy.
Hell yeah, man.
That thing's pretty.
Bro, the hardest pieces.
The tank.
The tank is the #1 hardest piece. The second would be the front and rear fender. But the front gave me more of a pain in the ass than the rear.
We'll take this to India now. If they scratch it up, home.
Don't blow them up. Don't blow them up. All right, let me put this camera down. Let's talk. So I'm gonna show you. Remember, you gotta come back in 2 weeks.
Okay, 2 weeks. Why 2 weeks?
So 2 weeks is gonna allow this thing to sit in the sun,
Oh, okay.
to get heat, to get
I mean,
vibration.
it's not going to be in the sun.
Well, you're gonna ride it.
Yeah.
right? You're gonna write it. All of that is gonna allow it to set. It takes cure time. It really hasn't been since yesterday. I did the lids on this thing,
That's cool.
and it hasn't even been 24 hours. Outside of that,
Pretty different bike, bro.
oh, it's a fucking completely different bike. It is no longer just another black bike. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Now it's gonna be, holy shit, is that the new Indian?
Like I said, I've always dreamed of a black bike.
I mean,
But,
that was black. So I've gone through the same thing, and I have to admit that I am jealous. And
No,
I'm gonna change it.
It's two different bikes.
I'm gonna change it. I have to put something brighter. I have to put it brighter. Like that is too toned down for me.
Yeah.
After I saw this, I'm like, I gotta put this on that.
Yeah.
Not this exact
When I
right.
first saw that, I fell in love with that.
Thank you. There's a price tag for everything.
And this will come out.
So with time and heat, we may be able to get this down. But again, this is a lot of tension. You see, look, watch. See that? It will go down. I need the 2 weeks.
And let me ask something. Can this come off?
It can, but don't.
No.
It's on there now. Don't
Okay.
take it. Don't take it off.
Yeah.
Don't take it off. We could take.
That's fine.
We could do any adjustments that are necessary, but
No.
don't do it yourself because if it
No,
gets
I'm
fucked up,
not.
anybody that fucks with it, I will know.
So if you take it off, will it still be smooth, or
It's gonna
are
look.
you hiding a seam or something?
It's gonna look like this right here. See that? Just like that.
I can't see nothing.
Well, that's a good thing.
Okay.
If you can't see it, that's great. I would not remove it
Okay.
because it's a safety net. There's a lot of tension on there, bro. Let me tell you, I fucking love this bike. I fucking love it. Just real quick, this is my boy JC, the owner of this Indian beast. And we're down here in Miami in South Florida. He cruises everywhere. So if you guys see him out there, say what's up. He is now part of the VTwin Skinz family.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this on 2 websites. So,
I gotta.
I don't know what to do.
Yeah. And that's it, man. You got your new look. Your new look.
Look at me.
So in 2 weeks, bro, just give me a shout. Let me know when you want to come over here. But before that, let's get together and go for a ride, man. I want to take some video of us on the road. You know what I'm saying?
That's my Cuban mom. Don't leave home without her.
What is it? Violeta.
Yeah.
And you got your warranty card. If you want to make sure you have it with you. That's all stuff you got in there, man. You need some sunglasses?
No, I'll get some somewhere.
No helmet, no nothing? All right, man. If you get a helmet, we could color match it.
Okay, how about
Do you have your wrapped helmet in the garage?
Yes, that's what we're doing on the train.
So engine is good.
Correct.
So like,
Wrap
Exactly like this.
Exactly example with the Indian logo.
Okay. The Indian word is going to be white,
Yes.
and the background is what?
Black.
Okay.
Now, I may have a little something for you when you come back, but I'm gonna get artsy fartsy. See what I did? Can you see the lettering?
Yeah.
That's the lettering on the side there, and I'm basically gonna cut it by hand and try to just put it
Oh, I'm here.
on here. But depending on how this survives, I may put that on carbon fiber. But I'm gonna do this by hand, bro, so you can see the artisan shit.
And this, what do you think? Like, I want to get
Oh,
it
how big?
as
How
thick
big?
as possible.
As thick as possible?
Not thick, but
Like tall?
like,
So wait.
not like this, right?
So wait. Give me the covers again that were here. The cover. So this is how it was factory. Do you want it this thick? This is how thick it was.
I don't want the Indian head on it, just the word Indian. Crazy. Crazy. That's what I want. That's exactly what I want.
Are you happy?
I'm happy.
Hell yeah, man.
Everything's pretty.
Seven. And it's gonna have vibration, it's gonna have road use, it's gonna have some heat from the sun. It's been in the garage for a week and a half. 10 days. 10 days. And you got a new look, man. And we could do this every year.
Yeah, of course. Of course, yeah. Yeah.
I freaking love it. I've never had a bad one. So when working on it, I've never had a bad one. I've always
a
had
learning experience.
Yes, completely different beast, dude. Oh, let me get it. I want to get a shot of you right now.
I would have liked to hear
You would like what? Oh, so that,
it's not enough room.
bro, you can get this
Red painted?
You can get it covered.
Yeah, I know.
Not straight. They can take off and you keep it okay? Yeah. And it can't be too much. I can't imagine that more than 200 balls.
Yeah, okay.
250 balls.
And so I would give him the sample you gave me, the color match.
Oh, yes. Yeah, well, I don't know how limited they are or not, but it should be close. And remember, you got a whole fucking box here of the material. So
Yeah, I'll figure it out.
before I wrap something else with that shit. Dima, you're happy?
Little bit.
Little bit,
A
huh?
little bit.
I like that smile, man. And this thing looks raw as fuck. This with the black?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, bro, that looks crazy. When I first put it on there, I got chills.
You're gonna put the same thing here?
Yeah, but small. I got it. I got it.
Small, doesn't it?
I mean, you want a big ass sign? I can put the whole thing right here.
Nah.
I'm gonna take up that space right there.
Yeah, that's fine.
When you come, remember, look, when you see little things like that, it's downwards. And again, the heat and time and the sun and vibration is all, you're gonna see tiny little things like that. I'm probably gonna end up doing the carbon fiber down here too. And that shit looks cool as shit.
It's a different bite. And
Bro, it's
even
completely
if it comes in this color, similar from Indian, that smoke, the ruby is called.
Yeah, but it's not this.
But it wouldn't look
It's
as
not
good as
this.
this. And
If you take it in, they're gonna go, what is that? Say it's a limited edition.
did you give me your card?
I gave you a bunch of them in that little warranty thing.
What's your name?
Alex,
Alex, good to meet you.
nice to meet
Bro.
you, bro.
Oh yes. Let's get together and write soon, bro. Hey, I'm gonna take a little shot of you right now.
Maybe smile. Watch, I dropped the fucking mic.
No,
Ah!
don't curse yourself.
Like safe. Remember, go at an angle over bumps, bro. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that red, man. Guys, this is amazing, bro.
Hell yeah.
Look at that red, man.
Hell yeah, dude. Happy customer. That's awesome.
Oh, that shit looks great from here, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna zoom in with that.
This camera got a crazy fucking zoom.
Say what?
This camera's got a crazy fucking zoom.
Listen to the music. He's jamming.
Oh, he's about to have a fun ass afternoon.